Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we taking a look back at a true classic in home mobility solutions. The Stannah Stairlift 420. You might be wondering, with all the new models on the market, why talk about the 420? Well, the answer is simple: reliability, comfort, and safety features that set a standard and are still incredibly relevant today. The Stannah 420 was a game changer when it was released, and its design philosophy continues to influence modern stairlifts. It's a testament to Stannah's commitment to quality engineering that so many of these units are still in service, providing independence to people in their own homes. Let's dive into what made the 420 so special. First, the build quality. Stannah has always been known for its robust construction, and the 420 is no exception. It was built to last, using durable materials that could withstand daily use for years on end. The rail, the carriage, the chair itself, every component was designed for longevity. This wasn't a product meant to be replaced in a few years. It was an investment in long-term mobility and peace of mind. The smooth, gentle ride that the 420 provides is a direct result of this quality engineering, minimizing any jarring movements and ensuring a comfortable journey up and down the stairs. Now, let's talk about safety, which is always the #1 priority. The Stannah 420 came equipped with a suite of safety features that were state-of-the-art for its time and remain crucial today. It had multiple safety sensors that would automatically stop the lift if it encountered any obstruction on the stairs. This is a vital feature that prevents accidents and damage. It also included a seatbelt, a simple but essential component to ensure the user is secure throughout the ride. The chair itself was designed to swivel at the top of the stairs, allowing the user to get on and off safely away from the staircase. This thoughtful design element significantly reduces the risk of falls. Comfort was another key focus for the 420. Stannah understood that a stairlift is something you use every single day, so it has to be comfortable. The 420 featured a well-padded seat and backrest, providing excellent support. The armrests were ergonomically designed, and one of them housed the simple, intuitive joystick control. This made operating the lift effortless. Just a light push in the direction you want to go. The footrest was also designed with convenience in mind, often folding up neatly with the seat to create more space on the staircase for others when the lift was in use. These comfort features made the daily routine of using the stairs a pleasant experience rather than a chore. So, why does the Stannah 420 still matter today? Because it represents a gold standard of reliability. Many people are still using their original 420 models, and that speaks volumes about their durability. For those considering a reconditioned or pre-owned stairlift, a well-maintained 420 can be an incredibly cost-effective and dependable option. It proves that you don't always need the latest flashy gadgetry. What you need is solid engineering, core safety features, and a comfortable design. The legacy of the 420 is a reminder that good design and quality manufacturing stand the test of time, continuing to provide freedom and independence for years. It truly is a classic that continues to make a difference in people's lives. Thank you so much for joining me on this look back at the Stannah Stairlift 420. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on home mobility and accessibility. See you in the next one.